Myself Praveen Modak. Let us see graphical method. Standard 10 Algebra Chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। अभी हमने जो चैप्टर शुरू किया है, मैं और तेलन सर आपको जो चैप्टर पढ़ा रहे हैं अलजेब्रा का, वो है साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशंस। उसमें आपने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज देखी है। नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द सेकंड एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज टू सॉल्व द साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड। Graphical method. Now in this method, what we have to do? We have to solve the equation by plotting a graph of that equations. In the last year, ninth standard, we have learned how to plot a graph of an equation. Now let us revise and start with this. If we consider the equation x plus y is equals to 7, we know that this is a linear equation because x is power 1, y has power 1, and two variables are there equal to sign, number, constant. So that's why it is a linear equation in two variables. What is the solution of this linear equation in two variable? The solution of linear equation, it means the value of the variables which can satisfy this equation. मतलब x और y की ऐसी वैल्यूज जो उस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करती हैं। तो अगर मैं x की वैल्यू 1 सपोज करता हूं, तो क्या हो सकती है y की वैल्यू, सो दैट दिस इक्वेशन गेट सेटिस्फाइड। इट मींस x की वैल्यू यहाँ 1 रखने के बाद यहाँ y की वैल्यू क्या होगी कि हमें 7 मिलेगा। यस, दैट इज 6। Okay, so now let us see another example. If we take the value of x as 2, then क्या होगी y की वैल्यू, क्या हो सकती है? Yes, that is 5. Now if we take the value of x as 0, can you tell me the value of y? No doubt, that is y is equals to 7. So if we put this 0 and 7 here, 0 plus 7, that is equals to 7. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, that is 7. So this is the value. This combination satisfies this equation. In the similar way, how many solutions we can get? Here we have find 3 different solutions. How many solutions we can get? Yes, बहुत सारे innumerable solutions we can get. And if we consider this pair as a coordinate, that is value coordinate, x is the value of x coordinate and y value of y is a y coordinate value, then we get the coordinate 1, 6. Similarly, we can get a coordinate 2, 5 here. Here we can get coordinate 0, 7. In a similar way, if we find so many solutions, we can get so many coordinates of that equations. If we plot these points on the graph paper, what we will observe? We observe that on the graph paper, when we plot all these points, we find all these points form a line, and that line that we obtained on the graph paper is the graph of this equation. इस इक्वेशन का वो क्या होगी? ग्राफ होगी. So graph of this equation is a line, and that's why also it is called a linear equation known to you. Now let us see the second equation. Suppose x minus y is equals to 1. If you consider this equation, second equation, that is x minus y is equals to 1. अगर हम इस इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशंस को ढूंढे, so if the value of x I consider as 2, what should be the value of y? No doubt, that is 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. If I consider the value of x is equals to 5, what is the value of y? The value of y is 4, no doubt. If we consider the value of x is equals to 0, what will be the value of y? So we will find it 0 minus y, that will be 0 minus y is equals to 1. Therefore, it will be minus y is equal to 1. And therefore, transferring minus on this side, that will be, or multiplying minus on both sides, we get y is equals to minus 1. So here we got a coordinate as 2 comma 1. Here we got a coordinate 5 comma 4. And here we got a coordinate 0, the value of x, and the value of y is minus 1. Okay. Now in here also we can get so many different solutions, and we again get a line of this equation. When we plot the graph of this line and the curve of this line on the graph paper, we found that both the lines will intersect each other. They intersect each other, and the point of intersection of the two lines is one and only one. It means that point lies on the first line as well as that point lies on the second line. So whatever the coordinates of these points are there, these coordinates, it will be the value of x here and value of y here, satisfies this equation as well as this equation. So that's why this is the solution of the pair of this equation, or this is the solution of the simultaneous equation by graphical method. Now let us see on the graph paper how we can get this solution.
Our first equation is x plus y equals to 7 and the coordinates that we have found are like this. Our second equation is x minus y equals to 1 and the coordinate that we have found are like this. Now let us try this on the graph paper. ये हमारा एक ग्राफ पेपर है. इसे हमने दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ की और वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ की है, एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस. उसे हम नंबर भी देंगे लाइक दिस. सो and don't forget to write the scale on the graph. So scale on graph is on both axes 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, because the at each 1 centimeter the difference of the markings are of 1 unit. Now our first equation is x plus y equals to 7. Now let us plot the points. First point is 1 6. We plot it. It will be here. Let us see here, 1 on x-axis and 6 on y-axis. The point corresponds to that. Second point 2 5 will plot here. 0 7 can be plot here and it will be on the y-axis because its x coordinate is 0. Now all these 3 points are in a straight line. So take a scale and draw the line passing through them. And don't forget to write the equation at one end of the line. Now let us see our second equation. X minus y equals to 1 and the coordinates are 2 1. So let us plot the point 2 1. Then next point 5 4. And the third point, that is 0 minus 1, it again on the y-axis because the x coordinate is 0. Again these 3 points are collinear. Take a scale and draw the line passing through them. We found that both the lines are intersecting at one point here and the point coordinate of that point are 4 3. This point 4 3 satisfy both the equations. That's why this is the solution of the simultaneous equation. And therefore we can write the solution as x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3. In this way, by graphical method, we can solve the simultaneous linear equation. Now try this in your book and see the next video for another examples from exercise 1.2. Complete the exercise, and if you have after this practice, solve the short test in the Google form along with this material. And if any query or any doubt is there, feel free to call me or Telang sir. Thank you.